please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, how you doing? Open a 1992 upper deck. Let's see what kind of buried treasures I'll find. Their tap proof thing. Ah, it's like a fighter. Oh man, this is. Woo! Here it is. This is a good picture. And the back side of it. Me and find a package. Rookie star. Don't remember him that much. Rangers. What is this rookie star? Don't remember him. Got a sticker. Yeah, with that mic letter. For some reason, whenever deck does their thing, man, those little mishaps or piles are always weird. I don't know why it's in a contract. Make their piles so crazy. The reason I do open the upper deck takes longer because I'm trying to figure out. Cool card. Let's read. Dodger. Mike Morgan. It's rookie card. Close enough. Yeah, rookie card. Some young man. Last releases. So that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.